What's up, guys? My name is Ritvik. I'm currently living in Kaiserslautern and doing my master's in computer science from TU Kaiserslautern. And in the previous video, I showed you one of the supermarkets here, Lidl. And today we are going to a different supermarket. It's called Rewe. So, yeah, till then, stick to the video. And along with the supermarket, I'll show you somewhere around in the way. So, yeah, without wasting any further time, let's just start the video.
One's a company, two's a crowd, three's a party coming, move around like the fresh when the school is out, when the booze is up, when the sun is down, enjoy the ride, got some pillows in the Chevy. Hey, hey, just like a dolly, low hitting heavy. Hey, hey, take your time, let me know when you're ready. Hey, hey, couple months I've been messing with this.
This right here is like one of the busiest streets in Kaiserslautern because like most of the banks and brand outlets are here. So yeah, this is an international store here or international market. Here you can get like Asian products, European products, African products, everything. Here is FCK fan shop. I don't know who would go there. So now we are right in front of Rewe and now we'll go in and see what's inside. Alright, so now we are in. This place is much bigger than Lidl. See, tomato 1 kg for 2.39 euros. This is expensive. Definitely expensive than Lidl. This is why I prefer to go to Lidl, because Lidl is like so much cheaper. Mushrooms for 1.69, 400 grams for 1.69. Alright. So this is milk. Milk is actually almost the same price. Now I want to tell you one thing, Sheila. Here you can see this is full milk, 3.5% fat, and the cost is 1.09. Now here is, this is 1.5% fat and this is 1.19. Like the low fat milk is much expensive than the high fat milk. That's really weird. This right here is yogurt. Yogurt is also like almost the same price, 1.19 for 500 grams. So almost the same price for yogurt also. This is all like flavored yogurt and other things. Yeah, this right here is walnut. It's like almost 850 to 900 rupees per kg. I was thinking of getting a packet, but now I won't. It's expensive. See, this is coconut cream or like coconut chutney kind of thing. This is all frozen stuff, mostly non-veg. No, this one is vegetarian here. This is vegetarian and there ahead is non-vegetarian. One more non-vegetarian section and it goes till there. All non-veg. So if you eat non-veg, this is like, Germany is like very good place for you. But also like in non-veg, if you eat beef and pork, then it's better. Otherwise like you won't find easily chicken and other things here. Chicken is expensive here. compared to beef and pork. This is coffee. This is the Nescafe Classic, which we also get in India. 100 grams for 4.59 euros. Oh, 4.6 euros almost. So it's like 855, 170, 340 to 370 rupees for 100 grams. Or it's like gold coffee or what? Is it true? Right, so let's see how expensive the water is in Germany, like packed water. You see, this bottle is for 0.65 cents. 0.65 cents, so roughly if you convert, it could be around 50 rupees or something. So it's expensive. Water is expensive. In the same rate, 0.65 cents, you can get like at least 2 beers. Oh, I didn't knew that Fanta had any other color than orange. Let's see the price. Coca-Cola, it's zero sugar thing. It should be expensive. Zero sugar things are mostly expensive even in India. So this is Sprite. Similar thing. Almost looks like water, just like India. So they're selling it for 0.99. It's almost 80 rupees. No, it's for this drink. So Sprite, yeah, same price. 0.99, almost 80-85 rupees for 1.5 liter Sprite. Yeah. Oh, finally I saw Lay's after so many days. The good stuff. See, the good stuff. Cheap and best good stuff. Oh, someone broke a bottle here. Fuck. This is again some frozen things. I was looking for schnitzel, but I can't find it. Again at the cash counter, I'll get my things billed, pay the price, and then when I get out, I'll join you again. Alright guys, so I've gotten all my things and now I'm gonna head back home because it's like also getting dark and it's also getting colder. And yes, this was all for today's video and I hope to see you next time on the other side of the screen. Bye bye.